Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. You have landed on Tree Loves to Resale, and here I am just showing a few minutes of my trip to Goodwill, and I'm just trying to get organized here, get my phone, my cart, get everything going. This is a store that I don't go to very often, maybe about once every 3 or 4 months. The prices are generally a lot higher, and I don't normally find a lot of things. Here I'm just going through. I have been trying to stick within a couple of categories. Bras, swimsuits, lingerie, PJs are all things that I'm looking at. I am looking at bras. I am going through them. I do like to sell bras. I like selling the larger sizes. They tend to sell pretty quickly. I like to stick to major brands like Ambril, which is the Target brand, or Victoria's Secret, or Lane Bryant. Those are all brands that I look for. Usually the bras are with the PJs and or their lingerie, and I look at those categories too. PJs can be a really good, PJs and robes can be a really good category. Here I'm just kind of scanning. I do look through the hard goods. I do walk through them, just looking for, just the deal of the day. Just seeing if there's anything that I can find that might be worth flipping or for myself. Do you all pick up things for yourself? I'm curious. Am I the only one? And here I'm going back. I try to stay away from people, so if people are around, I will usually go somewhere to a different area and then come back. So this area did have a few people around, so I left and came back. So I'm just finishing up looking at the nightgowns. A lot of winter stuff is out right now, but I still would pick it up if it was the brand and the style that I like. I do pick up short sleeve nightgowns, but usually the satin ones. Vintage ones I do like to sell as well. They're not a huge money maker, but they do sell. So I'm just going through these. Another row. I wasn't sure what that teal blue was, if that was a PJ set, a swimsuit. I wasn't quite sure what that was. So I was looking at that a little closer. It is swimsuit season, and I have already sold several. Lands' End is typically a really good brand. Becca, Lands' End, Anne Klein. Those are all brands that I look for. Speedos do okay. Not a huge money maker, but they do sell. Bras, I'm looking at bras again. I was going to pick up that one black one, but I didn't. It was in good condition, and their bras are only like $2, but I couldn't find a brand on it. You have to really look at bras, make sure that the tags aren't cut out, and that the brand and the size, because you really don't have a way to figure out the size if the tag is cut. You have to just kind of guess. And I don't think that would be a very popular item. I looked at that, I considered that, but it was a smaller size, so I passed. Had that have been an extra large or a large, I probably would have grabbed that. So yeah, so just a quick stop. You'll see what I picked up afterwards. I think I got 5 or 6 items, so not a ton, but every little bit helps. And I would probably say I was in there for about 20 to 30 minutes, so not a long time. Okay, hi everyone. Welcome back to Tree Loves to Resale. So you just saw some footage, a couple minutes, like my partner in crime. We're sitting in the car. We are actually waiting for my daughter. So I just thought I would go ahead and film it right here. Why not? I have my little Charlie with me, and I'm going to show you what I bought. I went to a Goodwill, and then I went to a spot over in a local thrift shop that donates to a nonprofit. So I will show you I didn't buy very much. I'm trying to be very selective. Now, I paid $10, and I did buy these because they were in excellent condition, and they're actually my size, and I put them on, and they were so comfortable, and I couldn't resist them. They're Clark's, but they're leather, they're black, they're really nice. And so I was like, you know what? I'm gonna buy those. Yes, I am. I can always wear them. The other thing I bought, and I thought these were great for summer. Beautiful color, beautiful condition. I think they're man-made. I don't think they're leather, but that's okay. Again, they're my size, so if I don't sell them, I can keep them. They were $10. The Goodwill that I went to was on the other side of town, and I don't go very often. It's really expensive, and I don't go there very often. So that's that. I bought this little bra. I'm sitting in the parking lot. People probably are going by going, what is she doing? I bought this bra. It's a Victoria's Secret's little training, like not a training bra, but like a small size. I bought it because it was in excellent condition, and it was only $2. And then I bought this Athleta Swimsuit top. It's a size 40 BC. Again, I bought it. It's actually brand new with tag, and it's leopard. They call it the leopard pattern. And I bought it because it was brand new with tag, and I believe it was only $2.99. So that was a good deal. And then lastly, I bought this set of pajamas. I like selling pajamas, and I'm trying to niche down. This was, I believe these were, let me see. Oh, these were Ralph Lauren pajamas, size small, just long sleeve top. And I paid $6.99, which is a buck or two more than what I normally pay, but they do sell pretty fast. So there's that. Come here, little dog, my little dog. Mwah. He's my little partner. He's so good. He just sits right next to Mama all the time. Right, Charlie? And then I went to this other thrift store. I'm waiting to pick my daughter up from school. So there you go. Oh, you want to see what's in the bag? You can't have this stuff, silly. Okay, the first thing I bought, I'm selling a lot of swimsuits. Lands End Swimsuits sell, you guys. This was $3 for this two-piece suit. It's the skirt with the built-in bottom, and then this bandeau top. It doesn't have a strap or anything on the top, but it's still adorable. Lands End suits I sell quite a bit for about $25. The next thing I bought a couple things for myself. I bought just a little cotton pullover dress. Okay, you gotta sit down, boy. He wants to get in the bag. I bought these shoes. They were $8, size 8.5. Again, they're my size, so they're Adidas. If I clean them up and I find that they don't comp well, I might just keep them. But I thought maybe, $25, hopefully. And then the other thing that I bought, which I was happy to get this. This was a really nice find. This is a Vera Bradley little clutch purse. It's leather, and it's got this great little bird pattern on it. I love selling little purses. It was only $3. It's really nice. So I thought that was a really good buy. It's in pretty good condition. It just needs to be a little wiped down, and that's what it looks like. And then I also bought this purse. This purse was $3, and I want to say that this is leather. I don't know. It might not be. Let's see here. I can see a tag. It was in pretty good condition. Let's see. Nope, it's not. Shoot, I thought it was. It says peace on it, and it's sack roots. It does, well, it looks pretty nice. So I can probably, I liked it because it was a crossbody, and I liked the pattern. So, and it is sack roots. I should be able to at least get $15, $18. So not a huge return. It does have a little peeling right there. If I would have looked a little bit more thoroughly, I probably wouldn't have picked it up, but I didn't. And I like to support that store. And I'll show you what I bought myself. And if I decide not to keep it, I'll just list it. I paid this little J. Jill dress. I paid $9. Their prices are a little steep in there. It's just like a little pullover dress. I might end up listing this. I thought I might wear it for Easter Sunday. If I don't wear it, I will list it for 20 bucks. And I'll be happy with that because I like to support them even if I don't. Their prices are a little bit higher, so I don't always buy a lot there. But if I can make any profit, I like to support them. So there you guys have it. That's it for me. Just small little chipping away, buying a few pieces here and there. And yeah, that's it. It's a short little video, but at least I wanted to at least show you what I had, what I picked up. That's it for me. Thank you for watching. Consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. From the car, here I go. Thanks so much. See you on the next one. Bye.